what makes our world so beautiful? Not just beautiful, it's just like, wow! Okay, so let me explain to you what's the thing playing in my mind right now. The things like will blow you away, alright? Which is things about math and universal design phenomena.
The universe. What a concept.
So let's talk about golden ratio. Okay, before we go to golden ratio, we need to look back what does it mean by a ratio, and we need to look at what are the things that we have learned so far before. Okay, I believe this is the thing that we already have learned in school, alright? So let us look at the geometry sequence, and we have looked on the Fibonacci number, alright? So let's look on the geometry sequence. So you can see that the sequence in the blue color, alright, from 1 goes to 2, goes to 4, goes to 8, 16, 32, and 64. It goes on and on and on until infinity. Alright, I don't know until when. But you can see that the patterns over here, it's multiplied by 2. You can see over here 1 multiplied by 2 is actually 2. So it's go on and on and on, alright, which is multiplied by 2 again and again and again. Alright, so that is actually the ratio. Okay, so this multiplied by 2 over here, this is the ratio. So I hope that you do know what does it mean by ratio for now. And then let's look at the Fibonacci number. Okay, so for the Fibonacci number over here, it's very special. Alright, so you can see that the words, the sequence over here from 1 to 2, and then to 3, and then to 5, and then to 8, how it get there, how it gets like that. It's just that for the next number, it plus with the 2 number before. For example, for the next number, it plus with the 2 number before. Alright, but the ratio is not consistent. Okay, the ratio is not consistent. Like this, it multiplied by 2, and you can see all the ratio over here is different. Okay, and here's over here, it is actually the ratio. So now let's jump on to the next thing, which is what is the golden ratio. So this 1.6 value, ta-da, this is the golden ratio. Okay, let's understand more about the ratio. Okay, so in this term over here, I write the number vertically, and then I write the ratio on the inside, on the beside of it. Okay, so and then after that over here, I write down in decimal, so you can see the pattern, you can see the number, you can see the number itself over here. Later on, it will round up over here to become a fixed number. What's the fixed number over here? You can see from 2 to become 2.5, and then 1.6, and goes on and on and on to become a fixed number of 1.61, and like that. Okay, you can Google up over here, and you can see this thing going down over here. It will go more towards 1.6 value. Alright, so but then what is the relation of this golden ratio with the universal design phenomena that I'm going to talk about? Okay, this universal design phenomena, we are looking at it every time, everywhere, even in our face we have the golden ratio. But how to look at it? Let's go. Okay, I already explained about the golden ratio. Remember, golden ratio is 1.6. So let's go towards this design. Alright, so first of all, we created a rectangle, and in this rectangle we divide the ratio to 1 and 1.6. Alright, so from this rectangle, we form another rectangle, and then we form that rectangle, we divide the ratio 1 to 1.6. Okay, and then we divide it again with another rectangle with the ratio 1 to 1.6. Divide it again, divide it again, divide it again, divide and divide and divide. Alright, so when this ratio 1 to 1.6 over here, here comes to the spiral design. Alright, so this spiral design over here, it's what's explained about the universal spiral design and the universal design phenomena. Okay, so later on to the next one, I will show it to you what are the things that are very close to us and also apply the golden ratio. Alright, let's go. So let me show you the example of the golden ratio, things very close to us. Let me get it for you. Ta-da! Okay, so this is the example of the golden ratio happening very close to us. Look at my hand. Even this has the golden ratio. This is also another golden ratio. You can see from my elbow to the end, to the tip of my finger. Look at my hand right now. Even this has a golden ratio. Isn't it wow? Mind blown yet? Not yet? Look at here. This is also golden ratio. Look at there, golden ratio. Look at up here, also golden ratio. Look at there, and look at here, and look at here. This is also golden ratio. Okay, so I hope you are mind blown now, and as you can see, you can relate everything with math. Until here again with me, Hazim, and bye bye.